We hear it all the time, right? Exercise is good for you. It's become like that background noise we just tune out. We know it's important, but somehow the message gets lost. Well, I'm not here to just tell you to exercise. I'm here to dive deep into why exercise is a superpower for your brain. If you've been waiting for the scientific breakdown, the how behind the what, then this video is for you. Ever noticed how a morning workout leaves you feeling sharper, more focused, and just more alive all day? It's not just a feeling, it's your brain responding the way it's been wired for millennia. Think about it. From the earliest life forms to us, human evolution has been obsessed with one thing: efficient movement. We move to find food, to escape danger, to explore. And guess what the most critical reason always was? Finding food. Our brains have a primal connection between movement and survival. Food and movement, diet and exercise, they're two sides of the same coin locked in a fascinating dance. What's truly incredible is how our brain adapts depending on which part of this cycle we're in. Are we feasting or are we foraging? We talked about food's impact on the brain in another video, link in description, but today it's all about movement. When you move, you're essentially sending a message to your brain. Hey, time to be alert, time to be smart, make quick decisions, remember everything. In essence, you're telling your brain to spend energy to gain energy. You're sparking it to life. For a long time, we believed our brains stopped growing new cells after childhood, but we now know that's simply not true. There are special areas in your brain that can create brand new brain cells, a process called neurogenesis. One of the most important places this happens, the hippocampus, your brain's memory headquarters. Deep within it, in a region called the dentate gyrus, new neurons are born. And here's the kicker: exercise dramatically boosts neurogenesis. It helps your brain create more new cells, and it also enhances neuroplasticity, meaning it strengthens and creates new connections between existing neurons. So exercise doesn't just improve your memory, it fundamentally rewires your brain for better communication and efficiency. So how does it do all this amazing stuff? Let's peek into the brain's biochemistry. I want you to remember two key players: BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, and IGF-1, insulin-like growth factor 1. Think of them as high-octane fuel for your brain. They're absolutely crucial for growing new nerve cells and forming those vital connections. When you exercise, the levels of both BDNF and IGF-1 skyrocket. These powerful chemicals then kickstart a cascade of beneficial effects. And this isn't just for young people. The positive impact of exercise on the brain is seen across all ages, from 8 to 80. It's a proven protector against conditions like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and even depression. Did you know that in Alzheimer's, the hippocampus actually shrinks? Exercise has been shown to increase its size, directly combating memory loss. So with all this incredible information, the big question is, what kind of exercise is best for your brain? We have aerobic exercises like running and swimming, resistance training with weights, and flexibility training. While all forms have benefits, most research has focused on aerobic exercise, and it shows these types of workouts supercharge your brain in three main areas. The cerebellum, this little brain at the back, is responsible for balance and smooth, fluid movements. Aerobic activity strengthens its connections. The motor cortex, this is the command center for all your movements. Exercise boosts its function, making your actions more precise. The hippocampus, as we discussed, increased aerobic activity means more new neurons and better memory formation and retention. But here's the most important takeaway: the best exercise regimen is the one you can stick with consistently. The current guidelines suggest adults aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise 5 times a week. Or if you're doing high-intensity training, 20 minutes 3 times a week, or of course a combination. Personally, I believe a mix of aerobic and high-intensity interval training gives you the best of all worlds. Now that we've talked about the power of exercise, let's talk about the power of feedback. Whether you're running, cycling, lifting, or managing your diet, knowing your progress is crucial for adapting and improving. And for real-time, actionable glucose monitoring, Ultrahuman is unmatched. My month-long experience has shown me how vital this continuous feedback is. Ready to unlock your brain's full potential and become an ultra-human cyborg yourself? Click the link below to learn more. If you enjoyed this deep dive into brain science, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop any questions you have about exercise and your brain in the comments. I'll do my best to answer as many as I can. See you in the next video. Cheers.